In this video, I will show you how to make header transparent in Shopify. Let's get started. So for now, let's head over and view our store first. So on my store, I have in here a white header, and as you can see, it's not really transparent in any case. So if you want to make it transparent, what you can do is you can first head over in here under the customize. And then in here, you should be able to see your Shopify editor. Now click on your header and then make sure to make this a sticky header. Then save this. Once you make this a sticky header, if you head over in here on your preview, your header will actually stick out. And as you can see, it's still not yet transparent. That's because it requires coding. In order to do that, just click on the three dots right here on your online store, click on this edit code, and then in here you can see your codes for this one. So for this, let's just search in here for header. Now you can see this header.liquid, so click on that, and you can see this one. So what you can do is you can click on this one and then add in here a space. And then this new one right here, you just need to input this particular code. So head over and copy this code right here, just like that. Click on save. And once it's been saved, let's head back again to the preview of our store. And as you can see right now, our actual header is now transparent. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.